Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to change distance units from kilometers to miles or vice versa, and I will show you how to change fuel consumption from miles to gallon to liters per 100 kilometers or vice versa. I'm in Canada, so I have everything set to kilometers and liters per 100 kilometers. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a member. Now, to make this change, you will press the settings button on the main vehicle screen, and then you will select display. And here under the units you can select US, and then you will notice here on the top the total distance is in miles and all measurements are in miles per gallon and in miles, right? If I select metric, you will see everything changes, and this is very handy, especially if you often drive between Canada and United States. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.